Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will give you a brief intro to video marketing. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
There's no question about it. Videos have revolutionized modern marketing and communication. The reason being is that it drives the most engagement and boosts the most conversions. Moreover, the advancement of technology has led more and more people, particularly the younger generation, to be less interested in reading written content. Instead, people prefer the quick and easy gratification of moving, eye-catchy visuals. That being said, more and more companies are integrating videos in their marketing campaigns to reach a bigger and wider demographic. What are the latest stats about video marketing? Here are a few. 60% of businesses use video as a marketing tool. 32% of businesses use video for sales. 68% of marketers say that videos have a better ROI than Google Ads. 61% of marketers mark videos as very important or extremely important in their marketing strategy. 52% of marketers say that videos help them build trust with potential customers. 53% of marketers say that video helps them raise awareness. In 2020, marketers spent an average of $300 or less on a video. If you're looking to integrate videos into your marketing campaigns, then you're on the right track. This training will cover 3 modules. In Module 1, we'll give you 3 main reasons why you should use video marketing. Module 2 will explain the power of organic videos and ads. Finally, Module 3 will enumerate the most popular styles of video production as well as the tools that you can use. Why are videos such an effective form of marketing strategy? Here are 3 main reasons. Consumes less time. Living in a fast-paced world, it's no mystery that people are becoming less and less interested in reading textual content. In fact, more and more people are now finding reading somewhat troublesome and time-consuming. This applies to literally everything from emails to ebooks to blogs and articles. With videos, people can digest information in an enjoyable way in a shorter amount of time. It's versatile. Another reason why videos are powerful is that it's so versatile. Videos have the potential to accommodate any learning style, making them appealing to everyone. Think about it. Text is just text. Audio is just audio. Pictures are just pictures. But videos? It's a perfect blend of these 3 key ingredients. Whether you're a visual, textual, or auditory learner, you'll find videos an effective tool for learning and communication. Faster to produce. Generally, it'll be quicker to create simple talking head videos or slide presentations than writing a full article or blog post. In fact, if you're a skilled editor or have a hired video professional, it would be easier to produce high-quality videos in a shorter period of time. Another thing to point out is that video content requires very minimal proofreading, except for advanced videos that may need post-production.